Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021. Affiliate marketing is booming. Rough calculations say that the industry is worth more than $7 billion today. More and more brands are using affiliate programs to market their products, resulting in more and more diverse opportunities for affiliates. The earning potential of affiliates is increasing, but like all business models, you need to understand the basics before you embark on the adventure. However, now is the time for new affiliates to get started and, with some guidance, hard work, and dedication, it can be a rewarding and exciting career. Keep watching our video to find out how you can start a successful affiliate business and take your share of the billions of dollars it generates. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a method of making money by recommending and promoting someone else's products or services. For each sale made directly from your promotions, you will receive a commission. The amount you earn depends on the commission levels set by the advertiser and the number of products you sell. The affiliate marketing process is simple. The potential customer lands on the website of the publisher, the affiliate. The customer clicks on an affiliate link which takes them to a home page detailing the advertiser's product. The customer buys the product. The affiliate receives a percentage of the sale as a commission. The affiliate link on which the customer clicks has a unique code recognized as belonging to the publisher. The advertiser, the merchant whose product is promoted by the publisher, follows the code and pays accordingly. Affiliate marketing begins with the advertiser and ends with the customer. The affiliate acts as an intermediary, selling the advertiser's product or service to the customer. Terminology used in affiliate marketing. Although there are only 4 parties involved in affiliate marketing, each has several different names, which can be confusing. To clarify things, here are some of the names you may come across. Advertiser, the person or company that owns the product. Other names are merchant, owner, vendor, brand, retailer, designer. Publisher, the person or company who promotes and sells the advertiser's product. Other names are affiliate, distributor, and affiliate distributor. This could be someone who is promoting through a website, blog, email, social media, or YouTube, or a large company that operates multiple websites. Affiliate network, a company that acts as an intermediary between advertisers and publishers, providing a platform for publishers to sign up for affiliate programs of their choice. They can also be called affiliate marketers. Customer, the person who ultimately purchases the product. Also called as buyer. You will also come across other terms. Affiliate program, also called partner referral program. The advertiser sets the program, which the publisher then promotes. Affiliate tracking, the unique coding that tells the advertiser who to pay the commission to. How do I start an affiliate marketing business? There are 2 ways to start an affiliate marketing business. Start from something existing. Incorporate it into an existing and established business. Start from nothing. If you are starting from scratch without having a business in place, there are a few basic steps you need to take before you get into affiliate programs. You need to choose a niche that interests you and that is likely to make you money. Next, you'll need a website or blog full of content to help you build an audience. Once you've built an audience, start researching affiliate programs that match your niche and sign up for the ones that your audience will benefit from. Create content around your programs and promote it to your followers, making sure to include the affiliate link. Existing companies. If you already have an existing business, then it is primarily a matter of choosing an affiliate program to promote and market to your followers. A website or blog is not required to run an affiliate marketing business. You can use and drive traffic to landing pages through email marketing, pay-per-click, or other forms of advertising, but a blog will help you build a relationship with you and your subscribers. It will make them more eager to buy from you. Find your niche. The importance of choosing your niche, the topic or industry you want to focus on, should not be underestimated. This is one of the most important decisions to make, but it can also be the most difficult. When making a decision, consider the following. What do you know about the subject? What areas are you passionate about? Are other people also interested? Is that still on? That is, it is not an overnight miracle. Are there any affiliate programs for this topic? Does the niche have a good track record of selling products, services? Is it profitable? To answer these questions, you will need to do extensive research rather than relying on your gut feelings. A topic that interests you is always a good place to start, as you are more likely to be able to write content week after week. However, just because it fascinates you doesn't mean that others are so interested in it. Customer demand. Demand from potential buyers is the most important aspect, and you can't rely on guesswork to assess it. You must have some ideas about the type of niche you want to develop, but how do you know if there is demand from potential buyers? By following a few steps, you can find out if it is worth continuing. Check out the search volume. You can do this by using Google Keyword Research or similar software to get an idea of how many people are searching for your niche. Look for products for sale in the niche. If there are a lot of products, that's a good sign. Look for affiliate programs. If there are a lot of them, it not only shows that this is a popular and in high demand niche, but also that there will be a lot of products and services to offer for sale. When you join a network, you can also get additional product information regarding sales to date and the number of affiliates who are selling each product. This brings this presentation to an end. Thank you for your attention. If there are any questions, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to assist in any way I can. Regards, George from Webwise Tactics.